and welcome to the Web Meta Global YouTube channel. All the answers to your questions about technological developments and digital marketing can be found on this channel. Can you learn coding on your own? Which programming language should you start with? If you're a 12-year-old or a recent college graduate feeling uninspired by any profession, or if you're 25 years old and think you made the wrong career choice, this video is just for you. Anyone who wants to learn coding can do so independently using any programming language. Our first recommendation for this is Python. The reason is that it's universally applicable worldwide. Even YouTube itself is built with the Python programming language. So, how can you learn coding on your own? First, you need to decide which programming language you want to learn and grasp the basics of it really well. Advancing to a higher level in that language means you're on your way to becoming a good programmer in the future. You should listen to and practice basic level lessons on Udemy, YouTube, and there are many short videos on Instagram, especially related to programming languages. By watching these, you can write certain codes on your own and even identify errors. If you're struggling with bugs, getting support from artificial intelligence tools like ChatGPT and Bard can be a significant help. Reading questions and answers on sites like Stack Overflow can also help you improve. I recommend tools like Visual Studio and Atom to anyone aspiring to become a new programmer. And after thoroughly learning a programming language on your own, you can find your path in areas like web application development, data science, and artificial intelligence. You may not always find new and permanent solutions to problems. Instead, the first step on this journey is to research and learn new code on the road to a solution. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.